Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
You know, we always talked about Washington making a lot of drivers' rights happen and changing the law for drivers instead of in favor of Uber and Lyft and these other companies. Well, you know what? It looks like another state is starting to try to be a thorn in Uber and Lyft's side, and that is Colorado. So Colorado is looking to end surveillance pricing. So if you don't know what surveillance pricing is, it's basically data that can use to set prices and wages, and you know, it's dynamic pricing essentially. But yeah, it's more surveillance style. So it's based on, you know, your behaviors, online activity, what you're doing. So if you're not accepting rides and they're like, oh, well, we're going to give you lower ball offers, then they're trying to curtail that and stop that.
Yeah, so Colorado actually is becoming a bigger pain in the butt for Uber and Lyft than Washington State. You know what I mean? So they passed the rideshare transparency law, which went into effect after Uber attempts to kill it by going to court, which it did not work at the moment anyway. Now they come with this. Well, if any of you have been watching us and you're not under a rock, you know we've done a lot of good testing and proven the point of algorithmic wage discrimination, right? And this goes to that point. The surveillance pricing means exactly that. And now there is a House bill, HB 25-1264, prohibits surveillance data to set prices and usage of wages. So this is not just for riders, this is for drivers as well, riders and drivers. Because I actually believe algorithmic discrimination happens to a much larger degree on the rider side, because that's where the money is coming from. So HB 25-1264 says prohibits surveillance data to set prices and wages, aims to stop corporations from using surveillance data like personal behaviors and online activity to dictate wages and consumer prices. Beautiful. In summary, the bill summary is surveillance data is data that is obtained through observation, inference, or surveillance, and that is related to personal characteristics such as acceptance rates, cancellation rates. We're not going to go into race and skin color because we can't prove that. Behaviors, biometrics. The bill prohibits discrimination against the consumer or worker based on surveillance data, and that's what Uber and Lyft do. Individualized prices based on surveillance data regarding a consumer, or individualized wages based on surveillance data regarding a worker. And it's done through opaque algorithms, and we have proven it over and over and over. And if you did miss that video, hitting 5+ million views now with More Perfect Union, and more to come on that, is this happens. So, and you wonder sometimes, right, when you're sitting in the airport lot or wherever and there's a driver next to you, and for the exact same trip he gets more money than you, that's because the pricing you're getting is on surveillance base, and they know, Uber Lyft know more about you than you know about yourself, and it should not give him the right to screw you. And this bill is for that. So my hat's off to legislators in Colorado, becoming a big pain in the butt for Uber and Lyft, bigger than Washington State. So we'll follow up on this, but I do like it.
Yeah, I mean, what's not to like?
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.